little puppies. Come out here and see us. Come on, looky there at Muffin. Come on, Muffin. Come on, brave girl. Oh, Biscuit's a noisy fella. Come on, puppies. Y'all wake your brother Cobbler up back there. He's just snoozing. Oh, you woke Butterbean up. He's a sleepyhead. It takes a lot of work to carry that big noggin around. Oh, come on out, babies. Come on. Come on out and see us, babies. Oh, look how handsome you are. Come on, Biscuit. Come on. Zoe, they're not your babies to protect, okay? Don't growl. They're not yours to protect. Come on, puppies. Come on, puppies. Come on. Come on, Butterbean. Come out here and see me. Come on, there you go, little buddy. Come on, Butterbean. Oh, you little cute thing.